तू इतना फ्रस्ट्रेटेड क्यों है?
मेरी स्टोरी क्या बताओ। 8 सेम से मैं इंजीनियरिंग कर रहा हूँ, लोग भी इतना इंसल्ट करते हैं। वो याद
आफ्टर 12 इंजीनियरिंग इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट।
कॉमर्स लेना चाहिए था।
तू करेगा इंजीनियरिंग? तू तेरा कुछ नहीं होना। You got only 59%. इंजीनियरिंग के लायक नहीं है तू। Insult to the science student.
You should be interested in female modeling.
तो कौन बोला इंजीनियरिंग करने?
सर, इंजीनियरिंग करना ये मेरा खुद का डिसीजन था।
What the hell I should do, man? I think you should do engineering. Engineering? Why engineering?
Because any which ways with your marks you won't get in any other college, and in engineering they only see CET marks. Moreover, you get better job and salary afterwards. I think you are right.
जब मालूम है एग्जाम टफ है तो पढ़ाई क्यों नहीं की?
मैंने भी पढ़ाई की थी, एक रात पहले। सब इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस भी बैठ किए थे, पर वो कमीना सर।
Attempted this question. Second question. Hi, how was your paper?
My paper was very good. How was your paper?
My paper was very bad. I don't think so. I'll pass.
Bad. What was there in this? Nothing was there.
I don't know. I'm not sure about
80 marks.
paper it was, you know.
80 marks I'll get like that only.
I'm not sure I'll pass or not. Shit, Chuck.
बहुत रबिश रिटर्न। डायग्राम है, कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है। थियोरेटिकल है, डायग्राम नहीं है। क्या पेपर क्या लिखा आपने? व्हाट यू रिटर्न? क्या लिखा आपने? 18 marks out of 100.
Sir, my paper तो went good.
You are the only single student who failed in this subject. It's a simple subject. Don't know the simple logic. It's only recta high. It's engineering. Go in arts and commerce. Why you came here? Just wasting the fees, nothing else.
Sorry, sir.
18 marks, just 18 marks out of 100.
Dad, what was there in this? Nothing was there.
I don't know. I'm not sure about
80 marks.
paper it was, you know.
80 marks I'll get like that.
खुद को हीरो समझता है क्या?
खुद को हीरो समझा था एक बार, उसके नतीजे कुछ ज्यादा अच्छे नहीं थे। आज भी उसके बारे में सोच के मैं डरता हूँ।
दोस्त कहाँ है तेरे? मदद नहीं की किसी ने?
दोस्तों के मदद के वजह से ही तो आज यहाँ पे हूँ।
क्या हुआ? उधर फेल क्यों हुआ?
कभी लड़की के साथ वाइवा दिए?
Okay. Please give me the answer. First question. What is Java?
Sir, it is an object-oriented language.
Okay. What is Java?
Sir, Java is an object-oriented language in which the main program code is divided into objects.
What is object?
Sir, that I don't know.
Just look up the things, nothing else. Just certify, बस, nothing else. रट्टा मार के आ जाते हो. Concepts are not clear. Next question. What is waterfall model? What is the role of waterfall model in object-oriented concepts? हो जाएगा, it's okay. Yes.
Sir, I don't know. Sir, I don't know.
कैसे पता होगा? कभी कॉलेज आए हो?
Sir, but
हमेशा आप कैंटीन में दिखते हो, कहीं दिखे हो? Always bunking the lecture, nothing else.
sorry, sir.
Sorry, what sorry? Next question. This was your last question. Okay. What is testing?
Sir, testing in software is the technical investigation of a project under consideration so that we can study what technical aspects of it have to be considered and what is wrong.
What is testing?
Sir, it is to check whether the software is good or not.
This was the perfect answer. This was the perfect answer. You're just saying the complete sentence and the book statement.
Sir, that
Just say the clear concept. Concepts are not clear at all.
प्लेसमेंट्स क्यों नहीं मिला?
प्लेसमेंट्स के वक्त गलत जगह पे गलत जोक मार दिया.
I'll give you a placement to never worry about. अरे what worried for what? Even they don't know anything. जो आते हैं ना प्लेसमेंट के लिए गूगल से ढूंढते हैं वो लोग और हम लोग रट्टा मार के हम लोग तो पीछे हैं. आपको क्या लगता है?
All the best. See you soon.
Good morning, sir.
Sit down.
ये सब करके क्या मिला तुझे?
It's not about why I have done this. I have not done this for myself. I have basically represent all engineering students all over the world. Everyone faces the same problem which I have faced. तो तुम लोग नहीं समझ पाओगे कि हम लोग पे कितना प्रेशर है. हम लोग गधे जैसे लिखते हैं और कुत्ते जैसे दौड़ते हैं. या आपने ये बल्ब क्यों लगाया? जब चलता नहीं है तो डाला क्यों है?
वो लाइट तो सिर्फ इफेक्ट के लिए है.